Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable holidays notifications on your OK app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on notifications here on screen, click on it, come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you come here to gifts and holidays. You come to holidays here, click in this side. Then like you see this color show for us, that's when it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.